Revamp your online store using the Shrine theme on Shopify. Let's construct your ideal shop, one step at a time. Begin by adding the Shrine theme to your Shopify store, then access your Shopify admin panel, navigate to Online Store, and then to Themes. Look for Shrine and click Customize to start tailoring your storefront. The Shrine theme is designed for exceptional product presentation. Your homepage will feature a variety of customizable sections. Click on each section to adjust its content. For instance, within the slideshow section, upload captivating banners with effective calls to action. Now, let's add your products. Return to your Shopify admin and select Products. Then add Product. Complete all fields: product title, description, high-quality images, pricing, and inventory management. Ensure you assign each product to a relevant collection. Organizing your store with collections is vital. From the Shopify admin, choose Products, then Collections. Click Create Collection and establish rules based on tags, product type, or price for automatic product grouping, simplifying customer browsing. Next, we'll set up your store's navigation. Go to Online Store. Then Navigation, you'll manage your main menu, typically for key product categories, and your footer menu for essential links like About Us or Contact. Click on a menu to add, modify, or reorder links for optimal user navigation. Return to the Theme Customizer and explore the theme settings. This area is dedicated to defining your brand's identity. Adjust accent colors, typography, social media links, and checkout configurations to precisely align with your brand's visual style and operational needs. Remember, the Shrine theme excels at merchandise presentation. Ensure your product pages offer comprehensive details and are visually engaging. Utilize the integrated features to highlight product advantages and cultivate customer confidence. Following these steps, you've successfully launched and customized your Shopify store using the Shrine theme, creating an attractive and highly functional online retail space prepared to engage customers.